together for 6 years, but that's a lie. They were actually together for 5 years. Because there was one point in time, I'm going to get this time for a story, where they broke up. And I remember the day that it happened too. I remember the night that it happened. I came home from some school thing and I go to my room and I just hear, he starts crying and I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? So I look over and I hear over the ledge and I hear it happening. And I'm like, something's going on. So then the next day we both do our thing. I go out to Mod Pizza. I get this pizza that is so like delicious. You got pepperoni, hot honey, all that good stuff. And I'm about to go home, and then my brother texts me and he says, me and Kaylee broke up. And I'm like, dang, I was about to demolish this pizza and I have to share with this guy. So I go back home and I just see this guy sitting down in our living room. He's got elevation worship playing and he's just waiting. And then I think back to all the times where this guy has been heartbroken and, we have different crushes on people and all that stuff. And he either reacts one of two ways. He either just goes to his room and just stays quiet, or he just finds a new crush. But with Kaylee, it was just worship and submission. It'd be New Year's. We're all watching the ball drop in my parents' room. He's downstairs worshiping. I come home from school. He's on his knees worshiping in the living room. And I think that's just the most beautiful thing, right? The relationship that he cherished the most, even in its toughest times with breaking up, he gave it to God. And I think they're here now because of God. I don't think I know. They're here because of God, and I'm definitely blessed to be able to have seen that firsthand. And then there's Haley too. We were in college together at Sam Houston. I went there my freshman year, and she was there. Yeah, something about cats. I graduated from the University of Victoria. But I remember, I was going through a hard time with just, COVID and everyone's being alone, and I couldn't make any friends. Not because I was antisocial, which I am, but just because everyone was secluded, and I spent some hard time doing homework and studying for exams. I'd go days without, I wanted to go a day without eating, but then, Kaylee would always text me, and she'd be like, hey, I made this new recipe for class. Do you want some? I'm like, sure, why not? I gained 30 pounds freshman year, by the way. But there was even a day where I took a nap, and then I wake up 2 hours later. I noticed that an hour had passed. Kaylee texted me an hour ago saying hey, I got you something. And then I texted her back, and I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry. If you're able to, it's so dead. And she was like, yeah, I've been waiting here this whole time. And it's just and it's a beautiful thing, right? She had that patience, and she cared about me even back then. So much that she was able to just wait there and just know that she had something for me, and that's just something that, I'm super blessed to be part of, super blessed to have her as a sister. And I told her even this during his wedding to my sister, but you're definitely the sister that I never asked God for, but I truly am. A toast to them. And yeah. Wow!
It's funny. Nothing.